Well, I manifested exactly what I wanted today. And that is, well, a nice sunny day would have been great, but I'll take this. Bird seed and animals, and they are just so friendly. Come right up to you. Beat out of your hand almost. Here comes a black guy. Yeah, I see him come right up to you. It's a lot closer than actually what it looks. Give him some food. I put piles of food. His brown guy's real friendly too. We have the ducks here. More ducks coming. In the morning, we can gather together a lot of them. Put another handful of food out here for these guys. Duck is just sitting there. Oh, look at this guy, he's looking at us. To get filmed. Yeah, very friendly creatures in this park. Friendly, friendly park. And blend in with the dirt pretty much. Oh, looks like everybody. Oh no, they just skipped over here. I'm gonna go visit this other duck. It's probably not the best food. It's from the dollar store, but oh, I guess I should talk louder. This is the kind of peace and quiet almost I'm talking about. My video sure doesn't work very good. Something's wrong with the pixels or something. Oh, here he comes. He just was stopping for a rest. Here you go, boy. Wonder if these two came right up to me. Right up to me. Oh, look at, they almost cleared it out. Do you guys want some more? Let's see if I can film them. You want some more? Oh, I guess I can't. Yeah, I guess I have to practice filming, and because I'm definitely not very good at it, am I? Okay, we'll go see this duck. Hopefully he's not. He looks to be a little afraid, so I won't go up to him. I'll just toss him a handful of seeds. Here you go, guy. He's hiding in the bush. Where am I? Oh, yeah, there he is. Yeah, he's a little shy, this guy. The others weren't, though. Maybe because they were in a pair. I don't know. We'll go and let this guy eat. Oh, here the creatures are coming back. I'm just waiting for the grass to dry out a little bit so I can set up my camp. Oh no, it's starting to rain. Okay, I better put my tarp out before the grass gets even wetter. So yeah, manifestation, dreams came true. Now I'm gonna ask for something. Well, this is probably the biggest I ever want. This is what I all I want from life is just to be out in nature with the creatures and not have to be fighting crime continually. But I'm here. I got it. My dream come true. Now, gotta think about what I want tomorrow and make it happen. I like this guy. I don't know where he's rushing off to. I'm going to see his buddy. I just love ducks, geese, squirrels. Ooh. Oh, we got a new duck here. I don't know where. Oh, yeah, no, that's the same one. She stayed to eat, and the guys went off. Funny. A lot of squirrels hanging around. Anyways, this is the nature show. I got exactly what I wanted today, plus more. Tomorrow is even going to be a better day because I am the manifestation king. Oh, here come the guys. Queen, duck. Oh, I love nature. Okay, I'm exhausted and I don't know if I should put the tarp down. I guess I better. Okay, good night. Another day homeless in Calgary. And let's hope I make it through the night not getting too wet. Because it's kind of cold out tonight. I don't know what that color is in the trees, but it's definitely not visible to me. Anyways, good night.